Deep under the warm soil of a garden, a small seed was waking up. She could feel something growing inside her, something strong, something real. Her roots were getting longer every day. Her stem was getting ready. She was going to be something beautiful, something the whole garden would see. And she was so excited, she could not keep it inside. So she pushed a tiny shoot above the soil, just a small green tip, just enough to tell the world, I am here, I am coming, I am going to be something great. A bird sitting on a branch nearby saw the tiny shoot immediately. He flew down. He looked at it. He ate it in 1 second. Just like that, it was gone. The seed was back to zero. Everything she had built, everything she had grown, gone in just 1 second. Because she showed too much too soon. She had to start again from the beginning, from nothing. Think about this for a moment. How many times have you shared a dream too early and watched it disappear? The seeds around her had watching everything, but they said nothing. They showed nothing. They kept growing quickly in the dark. Day after day, night after night, nobody knew they were there. Nobody could see them. Nobody could touch them. They grew their roots deeper. They built their stems stronger. They worked in complete silence, under the soil where nobody could see them and nobody could stop them. The small seed started again too, but this time she did not send anything above the soil. This time she stayed quiet. She stayed hidden. She kept everything inside. She worked in the dark alone. Every day she grew a little more. Every day her roots went a little deeper. Every day her stem got a little stronger. It was hard. It was slow. It was lonely. Some days she wanted to show the world what she was building. Some days the excitement felt too big to hold inside. Some days she almost pushed the another shoot above the soil. But she remembered the bird, so she stayed quiet. She kept building. Weeks passed. Then one morning, something powerful happened. All the seeds broke through the soil at the same time. Strong green shoots pushed up through the dark ground together. Their roots were deep. Their stems were thick. Their leaves were wide and full and strong. The bird came back. He saw the roots. He flew down fast. He tried to eat one, but this time they were too strong, too thick, too deeply rooted in the ground. He could not pull them out. He could not break them. He flew away with nothing. The plants stood tall in the warm morning sun. Nobody could touch them now. And here is something I want you to remember. The seed that spoke too soon lost everything in just 1 second. The seeds that stayed quiet built something that nobody could destroy. Your dreams are the same. When your plan is small and new, it is easy to break. One bad word from wrong person can kill it. One laugh, one doubt, one person who does not believe in you. That is all it takes when your roots are not deep enough yet. So stay quiet, stay hidden, keep building. Work in the dark where nobody can see you and nobody can stop you. Show the world your flowers, not your seeds. Show the world your results, not your plans. Because the bird is always watching, and the bird never waits. Build in silence, grow in silence, win in silence. Then let your results make all the noise. Subscribe to Tales with English. A new story is waiting for you every week.